Hello students, welcome from the Cavalier Institute. As you all must be aware that Cavalier is the #1 defense institute for training for all your exams, whether it is CDS, NDA, AFCAT, CAPF or any other or SSB training. Now I am Goldie from the Cavalier Institute and I want to inform you that I have been teaching here for more than 10 years and all the faculty have a large number of years of experience and are well qualified in their respective fields. So now, without wasting any further time, I want to inform you that we are going to start with our offline crash courses from the 15th of July, both for the NDA batch as well as the CDS batch. So do not waste your time and join the batch as soon as possible. The key features of this 45 days crash course is that you will be taught with the examination pattern, keeping in mind what are the questions asked in the examination and how to attempt it, along with the PYQs which will be discussed of the last 4 to 5 years. So you need not worry about how you will move ahead, and you will also have a test series which will be absolutely free of cost. So you should not have any concern or doubt in your mind. So please join at the earliest and do not waste your time and fulfill your aim of becoming a defense officer like many students have done so in the past by enrolling in this institute and have become Army, Navy and Air Force officers. All the best. God bless you and have a great day.